Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and I have a very interesting video my friends. YouTube suggested me to watch this video. Zhou Shen in Masked Singer. This is crazy, this is unbelievable. And from the thumbnails I can understand that they easily recognize Zhou Shen's voice. Okay, this is not surprising, right? Because he is showing here without his mask. I think they understand Zhou Shen. Today, I think his mask's name is Palace Backpackers, and he's gonna sing a song named The Sound of Falling Snow. Let's start.
有请背包客为我们带来他的表演。
轻轻落在我掌心，
Wow.
静静在掌中结冰。
哦，有想谈恋爱的感觉了。
相逢是前世注定，痛并把快乐尝尽。
It is sounding magical, my friends. Zhou Shen, you are amazing singer. He is one of my favorites, you know, my friends. He is an amazing singer. Is it a snowball, my friends? Maybe this is a snowball, okay. Palace Backpackers. That's interesting, a mask. And he's trying to confuse my friends because this costume is looking like very cute. It is looking like a little girly. Maybe he's trying to confuse the judges. Okay, he is using his high notes, so maybe he's trying to confuse judges. But no, this is not possible to not recognize Zhou Shen's voice. His voice is unique, my friends. They are gonna recognize it.
我慢慢地听雪落下的声音，闭着眼睛幻想它不会停。你没办法靠近，绝不是太薄情，只是贪恋窗外好风景。我慢慢地听雪落下的声音，仿佛是你贴着我脚轻轻睁开了眼睛，漫天的雪无情，谁来陪这一生好光景。
This is ethereal, my friends. This is magical. This is so beautiful. Zhou Shen, what a beautiful voice you have. It is a great pleasure. It is a great pleasure. Is it the end of the performance? Please say me no. Please continue. Okay, let's continue.
明明话那么含情，
Wow.
假装那只是叮咛。
真好听啊！
累积
Okay, I'm feeling a little tense when the judges starting to speak. I knew that they're gonna knew this is Zhou Shen, but I would like them to acting like they don't recognize Zhou Shen. We could listen him more, at least a few programs more, a few shows more. But no, this is impossible, right? They're gonna recognize him.
也不能相信。
Beautiful.
此生如纸般薄命。我慢慢地听雪落下的声音，闭着眼睛幻想它不会停。 试探连窗外好风景。我慢慢地听旋落下的声音，仿佛是你贴着我脚轻轻睁开了眼睛，漫天的雪无情。
Beautiful, beautiful high notes, Zhou Shen. It's been a while since I've reacted to Zhou Shen, and I missed him. I missed to listen him. I missed to react him. What a magical voice you have. Okay, I think I've missed him a lot. I missed Zhou Shen so much. Let's rewind.
睁开了眼睛，漫天的雪无情。
Bravo.
谁来陪这一生好光景？
Beautiful. Beautiful.
谁来陪这一生好光景？
You're amazing.
哎呦，
And he didn't even try to hide his voice. He didn't even tried. He's just sang as always, as his own unique voice, with his own unique voice. He didn't, for example, go to that harsh technique. No, he just sing like as always. This is his own unique voice, my friends. Okay? He didn't try to stay in the show for a few episodes. Okay?
对，怎么样？唱歌唱真的好啊！
上微博搜索“蒙面唱将猜猜猜”官方话题，参与打榜互动，为您支持的歌手助力打高。来网易新闻、网易好超级 IPG， 了解更多蒙面唱将猜猜猜精彩趣闻。
现在能够了解你在说跟他的声音谈恋爱的感觉了。
你现在明白了吧？
对对对，不要揭晓，好吧？不要破坏在我心里面那个位置。
哎，我觉得宪哥说的特别对。
所以你想象这个声音，它应该是怎么样？
我跟你讲，你这一辈子啊，你就永远带着这个，你不要再出来。
他这个声音，他这个天才的这个天赋，他是男是女根本不重要，
是男是女还是很重要的啦。
His voice is sounding different right now. Is it? No. He didn't sing with his voice, right? We hear it clearly.
哎呀，那很明显啦，
这么明显，你们跟他都那么熟了，
对，
那我是不希望看到的。你揭晓，但是我不看。
好，亲爱的朋友们，下面进入竞猜环节，请给出背包客的名字。
欢迎继续收看由一拍裸妆秒变好肤色水密码水 CC 网络冠名播出的《蒙面唱将》。本节目由记录美好生活的抖音短视频赞助播出。本节目由水密码水 CC 特约赞助播出，一拍裸妆秒变好肤色，水密码水 CC 上微博搜索“蒙面唱将猜猜猜”官方话题，参与打榜互动，为您支持的歌手助力打高。
请给出背包客的名字。
周深。
Of
好
course.
掌声欢送背包客。
Of course.
耶，我就
Come on.
心好累，开启你的智慧之选。A 周深 ，B 不是，开始选择。
The audience are giving vote also. They are singing. They are saying yes, right? They are saying yes or no. If it's Zhou Shen, they are gonna say yes.
他的动作跟女人一模一样，而且那个声音很迷人。
选择完毕，下面让我们有请 AI 智能侠来为我们揭晓。
选择 A 周深71人 ，B 不是38人。
71%. Is it really 71% only? I was thinking that at least 95% people. It was obviously Zhou Shen. What are you talking?
那么多，
蒙面好歌声，街面好肤色，水密码水 CC， 秒变好肤色。5、4、3、2、1，带你见面。
有人吗？
上优酷看蒙面，来优酷星球获取更多蒙面线索，更多精彩等着你。上微博搜索“蒙面唱将猜猜猜”官方话题，参与打榜互动，为您支持的歌手助力打高。
有人吗？有人，哎，有人。
Oh yes. Oh yes. Your little bunny.
大家好，我是周深，然后这次我是受水密码我要上蒙面邀请，带着那一只傲娇的水水兔，还有包里那一拍裸妆秒变好肤色的水 CC， 把自己彻彻底底打扮成了一个姑娘，来为难我们猜评团的。
But he's looking like very thin, my friends. He's looking like he lost so many weight. What happened to him? His face is looking like very thin, and his body also. What happened to him? Is he okay? Are you okay, Zhou Shen? I hope everything's all right.
你的声音太美好了，
谢谢。
哎，我本来想要那个歌声跟你的形象做一个永远的一个结合，我永远没有看到你，我永远是可以有想象空间。好了，现在没有了，
幻灭了是吧？
应该说是老天爷在他身上开了一个大玩笑。
啊，
对，但是他比女孩唱的都好。
对啊。我倒有另外的看法，我觉得我们不能再用一个流行歌手的眼光去看待周深。我觉得以他的唱腔、他的唱功、他表现出来的那种艺术的层次，我觉得你已经是一个艺术家，而且是让我有谈恋爱的感觉的艺术家了。
说实话，真正在蒙面系列的舞台上，只有2个人来过2次，第一个就是孙楠大哥，第2个就是周深。
Zhou
对不
Shen.
起啊，我们已经预告过了啊，我刚已经自己报名，我就是那第3个啊。
但是宪哥，如果节目组真的不邀请你怎么办呢？
我自己开一个。
好，接下来有请。
That's so cool. That's so cool. The winner of this car will have these precious signatures on it. I like that. I like the idea. So this is the end of the video, my friends. Zhou Shen. What a beautiful performance. What a magical, what an ethereal performance. He sang the sound of falling snow, and his mask names was Palace Backpackers. Okay, very interesting choice, right? Very interesting choice for Zhou Shen. I would love to listen him more. I would love to him stay a few episodes more, but okay, this is not possible. His voice is very unique. You can easily recognize his voice. This is not possible. Thank you for watching it with me, my friends. Very interesting experience for us. I wasn't expecting that. I had no idea that he's gonna participate in Mask Show. It was very surprising for me. When I saw the video first time, it was very surprising. I wasn't expecting that. So, thank you YouTube for the suggestion. Thank you my friends for watching it with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.